Hello and welcome everybody to yet another video on Spec-Driven Development Refresher with your mentor Vivek. Today we will be checking out CSS Grid, dashboards without mess. Flexbox is great for one direction, but real dashboards go both ways, rows and columns. For that we use CSS Grid, a multi-dimensional layout system. By the end of this lesson, we'll structure an entire WorkshopHub admin screen, stats, booking, a student list, and a calendar preview, all with Grid. Let's go. Setup and activate Grid. Setup a folder called CSS Grid Revision. Type the emit shortcut HTML5 for the skeleton. Inside a div with a class grid layout and about 10 div class box divs like the panels of a dashboard. Style each box 150 pixels, a border, a margin, matching line height. They look fine, but they are stacked. The old way, float left, works, but grid is far more powerful. On the container, set display grid. Now we can lay things out in two dimensions at once. Grid template columns sets how many columns and how wide each is. Grid template rows sets the row height. Define the tracks and the boxes fill them. Justify lines and spanning. Now let's place things precisely. Justify content. On the grid container, same idea as Flexbox, flex start, flex end, center, space around, space between, stretch the tracks to fill the space. Here's the key. Grid lines are numbered 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. To make a box span across, set grid column from one line to another, like 1, 2, 3. 1 to 3 spans 2 columns. Grid row. Grid row does the same vertically, and grid area is the shorthand. Rows and columns in one property. With these, you can position any panel exactly. Template areas, killer feature. And now the killer feature of CSS Grid. Grid template areas lets you draw your whole page as an ASCII grid. You literally type it out. Header, then menu, then header, then menu, then content with sidebar, then footer. Each row in quotes, read it and you see it layout. You see the layout. Then assign each child to its name. Grid area, header. Grid area, menu. Grid area, content, and so on. The browser places it exactly where you drew it. Combine template areas with template columns and rows for exact sizes. Or use ratio units like FR for flexible proportions. One system, full control. Now full dashboard and outro. Put it all together and you've got a full WorkshopHub admin dashboard. a header spanning the top, a menu bar, stats, cards, a booking panel, a student list, a calendar preview, and a footer. All from one grid, no floats, no clear fixes, no mess. And that's CSS Grid, responsive, multidimensional, and the easiest way to structure a full site. Combine ideas with columns and rows, and your whole layout lives in a few lines. Next up, responsive design. See you in the next unit. Until then, goodbye and peace out.